Over $1 billion worth of XRP is held by this company, by this exchange. And the exchange is going to surprise you. It's not who you think. It's not Binance. It's not crypto.com. It's not Coinbase. And there's a real simple reason for this, but you may not know the reason that this exchange is basically evolved or emerging and has emerged as one of the single biggest holders of XRP. And I'm going to tell you why. And this is a good thing. And I salute this exchange for doing this. And by the way, this video is not being supported by this exchange or by anybody. This is something that's worth noting and worth repeating and you worth knowing. And if you're trying to figure out where to buy XRP, this could be the place for you. Of course, this video is for entertainment purpose only. This is not financial advice. And you might go, but you might go check out this exchange that I'm about to tell you, because this is where you can buy XRP if you're in the United States. Therein lies the interesting scenario, right? Okay, so Uphold has over $1 billion worth of XRP. They have more XRP, almost 10 times the amount of XRP than they have of Bitcoin. Yeah, you heard me right. I'm like, what? That kind of surprised me. Okay. So this is really a great article. Okay. So XRP holds $1 billion, Uphold holds $1 billion worth of XRP in its proof of reserves. Okay. So this is when Uphold has made it visible in their proof of reserves. Okay. So this is a massive big deal. This is via John Deaton, and I'm a huge fan of John, crypto law founder, and he's an XRP holders attorney. Okay, he's come out and talking about this. And by the way, so like right here, how significant is it for the XRP community that Uphold holds 1.4 billion in XRP, making XRP the single largest asset holdings on the Uphold exchange platform? Uphold's XRP holdings are greater than its Bitcoin's holdings at 131 million. Listen to this. Deaton also provides information. XRP volume accounts for 28.3% of the total transactions on the platform. Almost 30% of the total transactions on Uphold are XRP. Okay. And by the way, you can buy and sell 250 cryptocurrencies on Uphold, but XRP accounts for almost 30% of their volume. That's craziness. Okay. Right here, they have 1.8 billion and 140 million worth of Bitcoin. And this is the key right here. On Twitter, basically XRP did a poll back in 2018, and they said, hey, should we basically list XRP? And the overwhelming majority was yes. So this was in the middle of the lawsuit and all that kind of stuff. So let me show you right here. So Uphold's come out and said that they strongly support the XRP community. I love this. So, but Uphold stepped up and said, we are not going to delist XRP, whereas you've got like crypto.com and Coinbase and things like that, not giving us here in the United States the ability to buy and sell XRP, which you used to be able to on crypto.com and Coinbase. We should have the right and the ability to buy XRP, period. End of story. So thank you, Uphold, for continuing to support those people that want to buy XRP who happen to live here in the States. So with that said, thank you. $1 billion worth of XRP being held by Uphold, and I applaud you. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Y'all go make some money, everybody. And I'll see you later. Bye.